Unlocking a world of entertainment on Netflix is now easier than ever, and we're about to show you how. Geographical restrictions are the bane of any serious binge watcher, but with Surfshark VPN, those limitations simply melt away, giving you access to a much wider Netflix library. First things first, head over to the Surfshark website and get yourself signed up and downloaded. It's available on all your devices, Euro PC, Mac, Android, iOS, you name it. Once installed, open up the Surfshark app. You'll see a list of server locations. The key to unlocking different Netflix libraries is choosing a server in the country whose library you want to access. For example, if you want to watch the US Netflix library, simply scroll through the list and select a server located in the United States. Click to connect. You'll see the connection status change to indicate you're now protected and virtually located in that country. It's incredibly straightforward. Now, open your Netflix app or website. You should now see the content library that corresponds to the server location you chose. It's like having a passport to global entertainment. Whether you're craving British comedies, Japanese anime, or something else entirely, just switch your Surfshark server to the relevant country and refresh Netflix. The world of Netflix is now your oyster. With Surfshark, your viewing options are limitless, so go ahead, explore, and enjoy the true breadth of Netflix.